All right, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to today's episode of Learning How to Read. All right, go ahead, Esnaf, we'll begin with you.
We're starting at, okay. Qaf fathatain, on,
On, okay.
Qaf, hold on, let me close my thing so I can see. Qaf kasratain, qin, Qaf dhammatain, qun, qin, qun.
Very good. Okay, sister.
Kha fathatain, khon,
Khon,
kha kasratain, khin, kha dhammatain, khun, khin.
khan. Don't say khan, khin. No. Oh, maintain that oh sound. Kha, khon, khin, khun.
Khon, khin, khun.
Yeah, khon, khin, khun.
Khon, khin, khun.
Very good. Okay, Asnaf.
Oh man. So the previous lessons. All right, bismillah. Ghain fathatain, ghan, Ghain kasratain, ghin.
Ghin, you can make it a bit lighter. These heavy letters, when they have a kasra, they're a bit lighter, okay? So ghain, kasratain, ghin.
Ghin, ghin,
Mhm.
ghain, dhammatain, ghun,
Very good.
ghan, ghin, ghun.
Very good. Okay, sister. Can you just say them for me? Ghan, ghin, ghun.
Ghan, ghin, ghun.
So the first one is heavy because ghain is a heavy letter, okay? Gha, ghan, ghin, ghun.
Ghan, ghin, ghun.
Okay, try to say aw, like literally the letters AW, try to add them after the ghain, okay? Aw, gha, ghan.
Ghan,
Makes it, and when you do that, it makes it heavy, okay? Full mouth. Oh, ghan, ghin, ghun.
ghan, ghin, ghun.
Now that was a little bit too much, okay? But again, ghan, ghin, ghun.
Ghan, ghin, ghun.
Okay. Go ahead, Esna.
Oh man.
Oh wait, no, it was her turn. All right, you're lucky. Okay, go ahead.
Oh.
But I'm gonna make you do it anyway. You're gonna have to say.
That's me or you?
It's you.
Okay. Ha fathatain, han. Ha kasratain, hin. Ha dhammatain, hun. Han, hin, hun.
Very good. All right, that's enough. Just say them, all three.
Ha.
Don't make it heavy. Ah, ha.
Han, hin, hun.
Yeah. Okay. It helps when you clear your throat before, because if you have any spit or anything in your throat, like the second one, then it'll have that a little bit of spit will come out and it'll make like a kha sound. Okay, so swallow. And han, hin, hun.
Han, hin, hun.
Yeah, see, sometimes just clearing your throat like that helps a lot, because if there's any spit in your throat, then when you try to say it, because you're pushing out of your throat, so if there's spit mixing there, it will sound like a kha because of the spit. All right, go ahead, Asnaf.
Ain fathatain, an. Ain kasratain, ain. Ain dhammatain, aun. An, aun. An, ain, aun.
Very good. Okay, sister. Actually, say them for me first before you go on. An, in, un.
An, in, un.
Very good. Okay.
Ha fathatain, han. Ha kasratain, hin. Ha dhammatain, hun. Han, hin, hun.
Excellent. Asnaf.
Hamza fathatain, an.
An. Be careful. Yeah, an, like an apple in English. A. An.
أن همزة كسرتين إن همزة ضمتين أن إن
An, not on with a U with a A. An, in, on.
أن إن
Very good. All right. Just a note for everybody here and you guys as well. People always confuse this Hamza and they say Han, Hin, Hun. Okay. Why? Because the letter is called Hamza with an H, right? The name of the letter is Hamza. And I think this is the only letter where how it starts, like the name of it is not the sound of it. So for example, the letter Ba, it begins with a B, right? So it makes a B sound. The letter Ta begins with a T, makes a Ta sound. So people assume because Hamza begins with the H, it makes the H sound. But no, it makes like an A sound. A, I, U. Okay, An, In, On. Don't mix it up with the letter Ha. All right, wonderful. Now we're going to move on to the next lesson. We're going to start reading words now. So the way we're going to read these words is we're going to break them apart and spell them out. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and take on one letter at a time. Okay, so you're going to start with the first letter. You're going to identify the letter first, and then you're going to tell me, does it have a fatha? Does it have a kasra? Does it have a dhamma? And then you're going to tell me what sound it makes. Okay, just like you've been doing up here. So go ahead, Esnaf.
Hamza fatha.
Exactly. So you told me the letter Hamza, fatha, and then the sound it makes, a. Okay, Yalla, what's the next one?
Ba fatha ba.
Very good. Okay, ba, fatha, ba. And now the trick is, every single time you add a letter, you have to go back to the beginning, and now you have to combine the two sounds that you've done. All right, if you come here, then you have to go back and combine the three sounds that you've done. Okay, if there's another letter here, like you're going to get to 4 letters right here, you have every time you add a letter, even if there's a million letters, you have to go back to the beginning of the word and then just say it all the way up until where you've reached. Okay, so Hamza, fatha, a. Okay, then we go to the next letter, ba, fatha, ba. And then we go back and put them together, a, ba. Then we go to the next letter, dal, fathatain, dan. Okay, then we go back to the beginning, ba, dan. And if you guys remember, this alif that comes after fathatain, we don't read it, we don't spell it out, we don't do anything with it. So the word ends here. So you're done. Ba, dan. All right, Esnaf, I want you to do the next one on your own. Go ahead.
Hamza fatha a. Ha fatha ha. Aha.
Very good.
Dal dhamma
No,
oh,
not dhamma.
dal dal dhammatain dun. Ahadun.
Very good. Don't say ahadun. Make it a bit lighter. Ahadun.
Ahadun.
Very good. Okay, sister.
Hamza, fatha, a.
So Jeem is the jug, remember? Or the jar, the cookie jar with the cookie inside. So this is not it. So this is going to be
Kha.
very good. Kha. Make it heavier. Kha.
Kha, fatha, kha.
Now go back and put them together.
Kha.
Very good. Just don't make it long. Don't while you're thinking, don't stretch it out. Don't say kha. Just say kha, kha.
Akha.
Very good. And then the last letter.
Zal, fatha, zal.
No, not dhal. Dhal fatha.
Za.
Very good. Now go back and just put it all together. Like that.
Akhadha.
Tha. Bring it on. Akhadha.
Akhadha.
Not da. Tha. Bring your tongue up, vibrate.
Akhadha.
Very good. Okay, Esnaf.
Hamza fatha. Dal kasradi. Noon fatha.
Go back.
Oops, sorry. Adhi.
Very good. Adhi.
Adhi. Noon fathana. Adhina.
Very good. Okay, sister.
Fatha.
What's the name of the letter first?
Hamza. Hamza, fatha.
Very good.
And then the next one is Ain.
Mm-mm.
Ha.
Mm-mm. So one more try. What'd you say?
Mim.
Yeah, very good. Why? I'm going to say why it's not the other two. Okay. Ain at the beginning of a word like this. Okay. Ain looks like this. Okay. It has like the little hook or whatever. Like, let me see if there's one on the, yeah, like this. Okay. This is how Ain would look. Big difference, right? Ain is much bigger and it has this hook, and then that's Ain right here. Okay. Then you said, I think you said ha. Okay. Ha at the beginning of a word looks like, they don't have it here. I don't think so. It looks like the butterfly, like this. Okay.
It's right there. I see it. I see it.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. No, I know.
Okay. You see this? Okay. Sister, this is how ha looks at the beginning. Okay. And look at this. Look at this. The difference is they might kind of look similar to you. The only reason why they look similar is because they both have this tail. Like meme also has a tail. But ha, it has two wings. Like imagine this is two butterfly wings, and there's a butterfly here. I don't know if that's a butterfly, but okay, this is like butterfly wings. Okay, so this is a meme. Okay, just one circle, one little knot. Okay, go ahead. So meme, fatha, ma. Now go back and put them together.
Ma.
Very good. Ama.
Ama.
Good. Don't make it long. Okay, next.
Ra. Fatha. Ra. Ma. Ra.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, Esnaf, before you read this next one, both of you, just so you know, whenever you see this perfect circle on top of a letter, okay, it means that this letter is silent. Okay, it means you're not going to spell it out. You're not going to read it. You don't have to worry about it. This one, they're telling you that this letter here is silent. Okay, so when you spell this out, you don't have to spell this one. The word would end after the noon. Okay, go ahead, Esnaf.
Hamza fatha.
Very good.
Noon fatha na.
Very good.
Ana.
Excellent. Okay, sister.
Okay. Ba. Fatha. Ba.
Very good. That's right. Kha.
Kha. I thought it was the dot again. I'm so confused. Okay. Kha. Kasratain.
Huh? There's just one of them.
Isn't that kasratain?
No.
Kasratain is when there's two, the tain. But what is one called?
Kasra.
There you go. So kha, kasra. What sound does it make?
Kha. Kasra. Khi.
Very good. Okay, now go back. Say them together. The two sounds.
Ba. Khi.
Very good. Bakhi. Okay, and the last letter.
Lam. Fatha. La. Bakhila.
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 Good, but don't say la. Don't make it long. Okay. Bakhila. Very good.
Bakhila.
Good. So now you're actually reading words. MashaAllah. Okay. Just to show you. Okay. And all of the words that are in the qaida, by the way, are words from the Quran. Okay. There's nothing in there, I don't believe at least, that is not from the Quran. Okay. So I want to show you in context. I'm trying to find a word that you'll be able to read. Okay. Because there are still some words. Okay. So for example, go ahead, sister. I want you to spell this out.
Okay. That is a lam fatha. La.
Very good.
That is it's a butterfly, so it's a ha.
Very good. Ha.
Ha. Dhamma. Hu.
I'll go back. Add the sounds together.
Ahu.
Lam. Remember we said sin.
Yeah. Lahu.
Very good. And the last letter?
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Fatha. Wa. La. Ha. Wa.
Not ha. La.
Oh yeah. Lahu. Wa.
There you go. All right. And that's it. Just to show you an example from the Quran that we're making some progress. All right. So we'll stop here, inshallah. And tomorrow we have 2 pages or something of these. So, or 1 page. So plenty of practice. And then we're going to start learning long vowels, inshallah. So we'll stop here, inshallah. Jazakallah khairan, guys. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.